particular pose, where Adi is replaced with Ranbir. So, what do you have to say about that?
Where is this poster? Show me now.
In the papers and websites.
They cut out my face and put
Put
his
it in the
face.
newspaper and cut out his face.
And fans are really loving that.
I'm so sorry.
In Photoshop, they took out my head and put his head like that.
Adi, I always
It was
wanted
a
to be
real
you.
life. It was a real life picture.
Adi, it's your poster. It'll always be you.
Yeah.
I'll never cut you out of the poster.
No, it was a real life picture, balcony picture, real life picture, wherein where you were embraced. You were embracing.
I was embraced.
No, you were embracing.
It's always wonderful to be embraced. It's so wonderful.
Katrina, I have a question for you. The film is releasing on Feb 12th. Feb 14th is Valentine's. What would your plans be this time around with Ranbir?
You'll be promoting with me, Katrina.
Feb 14th, I'll be gone
Alone?
from your life. It'll be Feb 12th. I'll be like, nice to know you. It was great knowing you. Bye bye. Feb 14th, I hope and I pray that we are all very happy in our own spaces and celebrating and have got a wonderful reaction for the film. That's what I hope I'm doing.
Mark my words, we're promoting on
फेब
the phone.
12 को फिल्म लगेगी, फेब 14 को इनके घर के बाहर लाइन लग जाएगी लड़कियों की, तो you should not have a problem at all.
Abhishek, there is a steamy kiss that Katrina shares with Aditya. And given the kind of sanskari
Who
censor
said
chief-
that? Who said that?
So there is nothing.
Nothing like that.
Given the kind of censor board that we have in place today, do you expect any troubles when it comes to getting the film certified?
No, I'm not expecting any kind of trouble. I've not done anything wrong. Making a movie, it's about love, and I'm not going to anticipate something that I don't perceive should exist. So keep the negativity away.
And
Also,
Pankaj, how tough is it to portray such full of passion characters, and what preparation you went through for this? All three.
When you have Katrina Kaif standing in front of you, you're full of passion, I think.
So for you it was
happens.
natural.
Yeah, it comes naturally.
Okay. And Katrina, how was your experience?
I think it really helps if you believe in love that way, and that's the way that I see love. I think that love is life and love is passion, and inherently I believe that. So for me, I think with that belief, you have that conviction, and then of course, Gatu, somebody who I've known for a very long time, and I was really excited when I got the script to work with him, and I think it took us a few days, but then after that, I think we just really connected, and everyone was on the same page and understood each other really well.
So are you a die-hard romantic? Is this going to come out from this film?
I hope it comes out from the film.
Yeah.
That's definitely the intention. Yeah, I think definitely. I think we all are die-hard romantics. I'm definitely one. And this story, for me, was always one of my favorite stories. Of course, I'm sure you realized it's inspired from Great Expectations, and it's always been one of my favorite stories. I think it's been one of the most romantic stories that there are in literature.
आदित्य उर्दू अल्फाज काफ़ी यूज़ किए गए हैं, तो ज़रा उसकी तैयारी किस तरीके से की आपने ज़रा बता दें.
I took some diction classes, but not too much.
With me.
actually. Katrina and me did some. Actually, the language that I'm using in the film is not that tough. Here and there, a few words here and there, which I kind of struggle with. But I did a few classes, and my Hindi is not that bad.
एंड कतरीना आपने भी कुछ स्पेशल ट्रेनिंग ली इस पर्टिकुलर फिल्म के लिए?
Normally I work with, I try to work on my scenes with, with some people, with coaches and all that. Spend some time with our director, of course. I think the most important thing was for me to try and understand the mind of this girl.
Oh, did I do something
yeah,
special?
something for your physique.
Yeah, I starved. That's what I did. A long time. No, I did. I worked hard on my physique. I got a trainer to help me for a while, and I think it was important for this role to do it. So yeah, it required some commitment for a while. I did eat very little food and worked out twice a day for a bit, and yeah, it doesn't come easy.
Katrina, मेरा आपसे सवाल है कि be it Fitur or your upcoming movie with Siddharth Malhotra, you are romancing with juniors. So what do you want to say about this new phase of your career?
Juniors. Does that mean that he should be addressing me as Katrina G? I think he should start.
Huh, Anji?
See, he's not even listening. See, he's my junior, but he's not even listening. Actually, let me tell you a little secret. So, I think me and Adi is my senior. We've been through this many
I'm actually
times
a
in the
senior.
film. He's actually my senior. And I think about 11 years ago? About 11 years ago, me and Adi have done an ad film together where I'm putting on some lipstick like this, and then this boy peeps through the window and goes,
Basically,
And that boy was Adi.
basically I was the extra and getting paid 1/10 of what she was for that. But we both started working at the
But
same
we
time.
both started at the same time. And if you really want some entertainment in your day, you should type onto YouTube an interview me and Adi have done together for
For Channel V,
Channel
when
V.
I was a VJ. Yeah.
Yeah, I think it was for Partner, for the movie
Goddess Diaries.
Yeah, Goddess That. It's really funny. Adi has hair,
No,
and I'm this big. And we're talking together like this. It's really funny. You should see it. So we've actually known each other. We realized it. I don't think I remembered, but we realized it when we started shooting this film that actually we worked together like 11 years ago. So it was actually kind of funny.
I think it's very unfortunate that some sections carry news like that. When we started out, Rekha ji was doing the film. She's a wonderful, gracious, generous, and a very loving lady. During the course of making the film, we just saw things a little differently. And right in the very beginning, we thought it was best that we didn't do this film together and we could work on something else in the future. But when reports like this come out, I think it's not fair to that lovely lady because she's quite reserved and she's a very private person, so she will not stand up and say something to safeguard her own interest. But I think we should be more cautious, and I think it's downright cruel to say something like that about her. For whatever reasons, we parted ways on that film. And having said that, I had Tabu, who very graciously came on board, and this is a kind of part that would have taken someone months of preparation. Someone would have to get into the skin of this character because it is so layered. And I really want to thank Tabu for this because she came on in a matter of 3 days to rescue us from the situation that we were in, And that's what I can say.
How the youth will get connected with your movie, Fitur?
We will really have to ask the youth this question. क्या ये टेररिज्म पर बेस्ड है या फिर जो इनका कैरेक्टर है रानी ताहिबा का वो पाकिस्तान से ताल्लुक रखती है?
एक्चुअली ये डायलॉग को लेके मैं आपसे अभी कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं कहना चाहूँगा क्योंकि ये आप जब फिल्म देखेंगी तो आपको
पर रानी ताहिबा का कैरेक्टर क्या पाकिस्तान से ताल्लुक रखता है?
जी थोड़ा बहुत रखता है मगर ये खुद पाकिस्तान से नहीं, ये कश्मीर के हैं। मगर जी हाँ, एंड इट्स नॉट एन एंटी पाकिस्तान फिल्म इन एनी वे, anyway, absolutely. It's just one particular moment in the film that the character behaves in such a way. Yeah, that's that.
ये इश्क नहीं है आसान जो टैगलाइन है, आपकी जिंदगी में कितना इश्क आसान है और नहीं आसान है?
It was just like hit me for a moment. I think that never a truer line has been spoken. No, it's
I agree with that.
It's just not.
It's not easy.
Not easy. It's not easy. But even though it's not easy, I think it also can be the most beautiful thing. And I guess that's why so many movies are made on love because it is so complex. It's so hard to understand. We don't understand it. So I think it's a very, very apt line that our director has chosen.
What's with the red hair?
Last question.
You have red hair, Tabu has red hair in the film.
So the connection between Tabuji and me having red hair is obviously it's meant. I think there's kind of is a subtle thought behind it that like mother, like daughter. So there is that trying to kind of become, in a way, she is becoming her mother. The reason why the color is red, or the reason why my hair is red in the film, I'm not sure if it was my idea or Gatu's idea. We'll have to ask.
Actually, it's film Kashmir is a backdrop, and Kashmir की एक बहुत खूबसूरत बात यह है कि वहाँ पे चिनार के पेड़ हैं और एक साल में एक वक्त आता है जब सारे उसके पत्ते सारे लाल हो जाते हैं. And somewhere there's a metaphor with the chinar tree and beautiful ladies in the movie.
Have you read the novel The Great Expectations? This to the members of the cast. And I'm Pallavi from Mabella.in. To the members of the cast, have you read the novel The Great Expectations? And which cinematic adaptation of the novel do you like the most?
I haven't watched it. I haven't read it, sorry. I haven't read it, no. So, because I wanted to just read the script and derive whatever I had to derive from whatever was there on the script. If I was going to read the book, then I might have been looking for things that weren't there in the script. So the script is like your Bible, and you just take from that. Is the way that I kind of approached it.
We've seen in the recent past that Heather had Kashmir as one of its backdrops, and we're seeing some sort of element of Kashmir in Fidoor as well. Are you foreseeing any sort of, and Heather has had a lot of opposition and it won a lot of praise as well. So do you see that maybe in terms of opinions, maybe there that...
No, I don't see any similarity whatsoever in this movie and Heather. I mean, you know...
I'm saying in terms of backdrop of in a way, Kashmir. In a way.
No, I mean, even Kabhi Kabhi is shot in Kashmir. So is there any similarity?
Conflict in Kashmir. Conflict in Kashmir.
No, there's absolutely zero similarity between Heather and Fidoor. Other than the fact that they both star the lovely Tabu. But there's no other similarity. This is a movie about love, and it's a love story.
For more Bollywood updates, subscribe now to youtube.com/BiscuitTV.